Hey glow babies! Halloween is here, and I know you want a killer look fast. Life gets busy, but you can still rock a spooky, creative style in just 10 minutes. Today, I'll show you how to become a claymation-inspired character. Think button eyes and stitched smiles using stuff you already have. No pro skills or fancy products needed. This look is bold, simple, and perfect for last-minute plans or beginners. We'll focus on big shapes and easy techniques for maximum impact. Ready to get spooky without the stress? Grab your makeup and let's jump in. Let's do this! Let's talk tools. You only need a few basics for this look. Grab a foundation or concealer a few shades lighter than your skin, or mix in a little white face paint. You'll need a black eyeliner, gel, liquid, or pencil, black eyeshadow, and a bold red lipstick. Use your black eyeliner for both eyes and stitch details. Double duty. For brushes, just a foundation brush or sponge, a small flat brush, and a thin angle brush will do. No fancy tools? Fingers and Q-tips work great. The goal? Use what you have and keep it simple, affordable, fast, and effective. Toolkit ready? Let's get started. Time to transform. We're about to create the ultimate spooky base for your Halloween or costume look, inspired by the smooth, surreal finish of classic claymation characters. This is where the magic begins, so get ready to turn your face into a blank, eerie canvas. Start with your lightest foundation and apply it generously all over your face. Don't be shy. Really layer it on to erase any natural shadows or color. The goal is to look almost otherworldly, like you've stepped right out of a stop-motion film. Be sure to blend the foundation down your neck as well, so there's no harsh line between your face and body. This helps you achieve that seamless, flat, and almost sculpted clay-like finish that's so iconic in spooky animation. Skip contouring entirely. Remember, we want a one-dimensional, almost mask-like effect. This is not the time for chiseled cheekbones or bronzed edges. The flatter, the better. Next, set everything with a generous layer of translucent powder. This step is key for locking in your base and giving your skin that matte, powdery texture that mimics the look of real clay. Don't forget to powder your neck too. For a truly haunting vibe, lightly dust black or grey eyeshadow into the hollows of your cheeks, along the sides of your nose, and at your temples. This creates subtle shadows that make your features look sunken and ghostly, perfect for a spooky transformation. Don't overblend these shadows. You want the lines to be a bit stark and dramatic. The less blended, the more stylized and creepy your look will be. Just like a character brought to life from a Halloween animation. Now, it's time to erase your eyebrows. Use foundation or a heavy-duty concealer to completely blank them out, then set with powder. This step is crucial for that unsettling doll-like effect. With your brows gone, you've created a totally blank canvas above your eyes, which will make any dramatic eye makeup pop even more in the next steps. Your face is now a perfect, spooky canvas, smooth, pale, and ready for whatever creepy details you want to add next. You're halfway to looking like a true claymation character. This base is quick, easy, and super effective for any last-minute costume or if you want to impress with minimal effort. Ready for the next step? Let's keep building your spooky masterpiece. Let's dive into making those iconic button eyes that instantly give off that unmistakable claymation vibe. This is the step that transforms your look from ordinary to otherworldly, so get ready to have some fun with it. Start by grabbing a matte black eyeshadow and a flat, dense brush. Use the brush to draw a large, exaggerated circle around each eye. Don't worry about making it perfect. In fact, the more dramatic and oversized, the better. This is all about capturing that quirky, animated feel. Really pack on the color to make sure the black is bold, deep, and completely opaque. Layer the shadow until you can't see any skin peeking through. This will make your eyes pop and give that signature button look. Don't stress about the edges being neat. Let them be rough and uneven. Those jagged lines actually add to the creepy handmade effect, making your eyes look like they were stitched on by a stop-motion animator. Next, grab a white liquid liner or face paint. Carefully dot 4 small circles inside each black eye, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. These dots are your buttonholes, and they're what really sell the illusion. Take your time to space them out evenly for the most realistic effect. For an extra touch of dimension, add a small curved white line on the upper right of each circle. This acts as a highlight, making your button eyes look shiny and cartoonish, just like in your favorite claymation films. These little details, buttonholes and highlights, instantly bring the illusion to life. Make sure to repeat the entire process on both eyes so your look is symmetrical and extra striking. Step back and admire your work. You now have the creepiest, cutest button eyes around, perfect for any costume or themed event. This is truly the showstopper of your look. Bold, dramatic, and totally unforgettable. Whether you're going for spooky or sweet, these button eyes will steal the show. Now that your eyes are done, let's move on to the mouth and complete your transformation. Get ready for a stitched-up smile that's both playful and a little bit eerie. This look is inspired by classic claymation characters, where exaggerated features and bold lines create a dramatic effect. Whether you're aiming for a spooky Halloween vibe or just want to try something creative, this stitched-up smile is sure to turn heads. Start by applying a bold, bright red lipstick. Don't be afraid to go big. Extend the corners of your mouth up onto your cheeks, creating a wide, exaggerated grin that looks almost cartoonish. The more dramatic the shape, the better. Next, grab a black eyeliner pencil or face paint. Carefully draw small, vertical stitch marks across the red smile, spacing them out unevenly and varying their lengths. This gives the illusion that your smile has been hand-sewn, just like a claymation puppet's mouth. For extra realism, use a small brush to add a faint shadow under each stitch with black or dark grey eyeshadow. This subtle detail makes the stitches look like they're really sitting on your skin, adding depth and a touch of creepiness. If you want your stitches to pop even more, add a tiny white highlight to each one. Just a dot or a short line will do. This trick gives your makeup a three-dimensional animated effect. And there you have it. Your creepy, stitched-up claymation smile is complete. It's a look that's both fun and a little unsettling, perfect for parties or costume events. The bold, graphic shapes make this look stand out, and the simple design means you don't need advanced skills to pull it off. Remember, the eyes and mouth are the stars of this look. Keep the rest of your makeup minimal so your stitched smile really shines. Now you're ready to wow your friends, spook your neighbors, and bring a little claymation magic to life. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different stitch patterns, colors, or even add some glitter for your own unique twist. Now make it your own. Try colored button eyes, purple, green, or blue for a unique vibe. Change the mouth, go for a black, blue, or jagged, sad smile. Add painted cracks with black liner for a broken doll effect. Accessorize. A big bow, clown collar, or mismatched ribbons can totally change your character. Even simple clothes, striped shirt, Peter Pan collar, or all black, let the makeup shine. Draw stitches on your neck or hands for extra drama. There are no rules, just creativity. Have fun and experiment. Your claymation character is all yours. Party's over. Time to take care of your skin. Use an oil-based cleanser to gently break down all the makeup. Wipe away with a soft cloth or cotton pads, especially around the eyes. Double cleanse with your regular face wash to remove any residue. Pat dry and hydrate with your favorite moisturizer or a soothing mask. Be gentle, your skin will thank you. You rocked Halloween and cared for your skin. I'm so proud of you. See you next time, Glow Babies.